Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a design team haul sneak peek share I received with my design team package a few weeks ago. You've probably already seen this revealed in the Rodeo Roundup Crop, but I wanted to go over it with you for some of those who may not have seen or participated in that crop. I wanted to show you this newest hybrid junk journal collection by Country Craft Creations, designed by Jacqueline Hart. And yeah, it's really exciting. This is called the Cowgirl Way. So there's 3 packs. The hybrid junk journal collection, that's the main pack, and then you get the companion pack, and then the solids and the plaids, which if you're not into the cowgirl stuff, these solids and plaids would be great anyway. So all of these are 8.5 by 11, and they're made to go into junk journals. So stay tuned, and I'll open up these packages and we'll take a quick peek at it all. Okay, so the first one we're going to look at is the pack that is the Cowgirl Way Hybrid Junk Journal Collection, the main pack. This kit contains double-sided designs, blank and lined sheets for journaling, but you can use it for cards or for regular albums if you wanted to, for mini albums. So this is the cover sheet. So when you take a look at this, you'll see that the designs are divided so that you can fold in half for your journal. And then so you have this beautiful image on this side, and then you have the wood grain here. So I believe there's 3 of each print in the collection. So there's that one. Here's this one with the cowboy boots on the girl. I love this one here. So the back side has some cow print and flowers and some wording. Super, super pretty, very beautiful images. This next set has the kind of wood grain cow print, and then over here the real beautiful pearls and roses and different elements. And then this side you have your little calves and the barn, just all the fun elements with that. And then this one has the cowgirl hat, the roses, and the leather here, the belt on this side, and the back, beautiful horse, and the gate with the flowers. And this one has lace. I think that's a cow. I'm not sure. I need my glasses on. Yeah. And then over here, the real pretty delicate soft colors. And then this side, I love this one with the teal plaid. There's that one. And then here we have some more leather here with the flowers and a barrel and the hat and lace, like crochet lace in there. This side is like that with the shadow of the cowgirl. So remember, all of these can be folded in half to create a junk journal pages. And then we have this beautiful one with a hat, the flowers here. Put this over, and we have the inside of the barn with the hay, the saddle. Here's some more images with the horses, the cowgirl and her flowing skirt. And with this over, we have the horseshoes and more different newsprints and lettering in that. So pretty. And then of course you get the 2 different colors. You get 2 sheets of each of the journaling sheets with solids on the back. So you get the lighter color like that, and then the darker. So that is the main collection pack of the Cowgirl Way, the Hybrid Junk Journal Collection. Next, we're going to look at the Cowgirl Way Junk Journal Companion Pack. This has tags, borders, ephemera, journal cards, pockets, covers, and monthly planner sheets in this one. So this is the cover sheet. Flip that over. So here's your planner sheets and calendar. You have them in, let's see, 2 of each color. So we have a brown and a blue. And if you flip them on the back, you have these bandana looking prints. Then this is like a book cover. You get 2 of each. So this one has the truck. So if you folded it like this, you would have a book cover, and then it has this print inside. This one has the girl with the boots and the hat on this side. And then we have here the different journaling cards that you can just cut up, insert some paint sample looking colors, tickets. So you get 2 of each sheet. Here's the tags. The divider tabs. These are little jars, little truck. Paper clip toppers or dividers. Some border strips, and on the back of these they're plain, so you don't have to worry about losing that. And like on these, the tags are a plain solid color. Then you get 2 of the, like the postcard, another tag, some pockets. Take me to the rodeo, belts and a bow. So get the sheet to separate for me there. That's plain on the back. And then we have some labels, some journaling inserts, other ephemera. These are really cute. Now, for those of you who have a scan and cut, these are outlined where you can use your machine, but then they're also perfect for those of us who like to fussy cut and don't have the machine. So those are cute. There's some more labels in ephemera. And some more pockets and different ephemera pieces here. And then this is a little mini book. So this is really interesting. It says score at the folds and mountain valley folds, gluing the white sides back to back. So it gives you instructions on how, and so you'll have a little tiny mini book. Look at the little pockets and the little inserts. So that's fun, would be fun to make. So that is the companion pack. Now all of these are reasonably priced and available at countrycraftcreations.com online or at the store in Utah. So this is the companion pack, and so I'm going to set this aside over here with the main collection, and then we'll take a look at the solids and plaids next. Next we have the Cowgirl Way solids and plaids pack. This is mine that I'm going to show you is a little bit different than what you're actually going to receive, because this was like a prototype printout of them, and so they were printed incorrectly, and they're going to be corrected for the actual packages that'll be in the warehouse and the store. So there are 4 solids and 4 plaids. Now yours will be like the solid pink will have a plaid on the back of it. I'm not sure which one, like this. So like if you had the pink, then you'd flip it over and you would have your plaid. That's the way yours is going to be. Mine's done a little bit different. So I'm going to line this up, and I'm thinking you will get 2 of each sheet, whereas I don't have that. So I'm going to line mine up the way I think that yours will be. I know this is a little confusing, but we had to get ours in really early, and so this is what I have to show you. And the colors and the designs are the same. It's just that the way they're printed is going to be different for you. So let me fix that on my end a little bit, and then I'll show you what you're going to be getting. Okay, so I've lined them up the way they should be. So when you get yours, you're going to have the cream colored one solid on one side, and on the back side it's going to be this cream colored plaid like that. And I think you'll be getting 2 sheets of each. Then the pink one will be the pink solid on this side like that, and then with the pink plaid there. And then the blue will be your blue on one side, and then this blue plaid here like that. And then you'll get the brown solid, and on the back side of it will be the plaid with the brown in it. So I love these. These will be great to have even if you're not going to be doing a cowgirl or rodeo type project. You just want some nice solids and plaids. You could get this collection for that. It'll work great. So that's what we have for that. So let me grab a couple more things that I got. I want to show you. I also got the Country Vow card fronts. These are these are the Slimlines. And so you get, I think, 2 of each card front, or is it 3? Let me look. 3. You get 3 of each. I got this one split up. So this is really pretty. This is the bride and groom going to the chapel on their horses, so like that. And then you have the bride here in front of the barn chapel. Then you have this one with the wedding cake, the bouquet, and the cowgirl boots and hat. So 3 of those. And then this one of them riding off into the sunset. Really, really pretty card fronts. And then you get the sentiments cards. So that is the Country Vow card fronts. So you'll be seeing those in the online shop. And then I also got this set of the Enchanted Mermaid card fronts. So let's take a peek at that. Now, it may be a while before I work on any of these, but these are so pretty. These are different. So you get 3 of the card fronts. These are A2 size. So there's the mermaid like that. And then the mermaid's face with the fish around and the bubbles. And another mermaid like this one. And then this mermaid. Super, super pretty. And then you get the sentiment sheets in the 2 different colors. You're my treasure, cherished always, stay wild, sea child. Just different sayings, even thank you. So this is a really fun card set. If you like to make cards, this makes it really easy to make some cards to put in your stash so that you'll have them available to send out. So that is the newest designs from Country Craft Creations for the hybrid junk journal and some card fronts. So be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell so you'll be notified of my next projects. And as always, shop at countrycraftcreations.com for your paper crafting supplies. Thanks everybody. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.